Hi everyone. If you got Brothers scanner, copier and printer DCP7065DN, and if you replace the toner, it doesn't readily accept it, but you get a error message. The error message is replace toner. So what you have to do is, because this will always come and you will not be able to print more than 1 or 2 page, then what you have to do is you have to open the lid and then press clear tab. Soon after that you have to press start button, then the up arrow key, then the down arrow key, then OK. So as you press all these buttons, the accepted message comes. Now what you have to do is you have to close the lid and wait. So after the closing the lid and wait, the message is there, like you can see, please wait. And now the printer is ready to work. Thank you.